That is fine, Siddhanta. It may be typo error. Ashwant, are you ready with the seminar? What, Ashwant, are you ready with the seminar?
Ma'am, today my video will be off because like there is some network issue.
Yeah, it's okay. Charvik, I called you, but no response. That is fine, Charvik, but you can unmute and tell me, right? You all can hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, yes, Ashwant, are you ready with the seminar? Yes, Ashwant, are you ready with the seminar? No?
No, ma'am.
No or yes, Ashwant?
No, ma'am.
Why? Why no? So what is the point of giving homework? If you guys are not willing, what is the point of giving homework? Is there any use to give for giving homeworks? So I also gave to draw the picture plant and Venus flytrap diagrams and label the parts. Did anyone do the diagram?
Done, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Who did?
Ma'am, I did.
Okay. Anyone else?
Ma'am, I did.
Ma'am, I did the Venus flytrap diagram, but like I couldn't draw the picture plan.
Why?
Ma'am, it was like hard.
So I didn't ask
Ma'am, I
to draw
tried.
the diagram in the test, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I asked you to write as a draw as a homework. It is not like I'm gonna publish your drawing in some big YouTube channel or in Instagram or Facebook, right? It's for your practice. So even if it is tough, you have to draw. That is the point, whole point.
Ma'am, the Venus flytrap and the picture plan for me is a bit like not so good. It's a bit horrible case, but yeah,
That
I
is
tried
fine.
to that.
Or if, see, the thing is like when it is about science, what is it about science? You have to draw the diagram, even if it is not nice. The parts that you're labeling should be clear. So Ashwant, what is the point of giving homework if no one is going to do? Adritra, what about your homework?
Ma'am, actually I tried, but I didn't got the picture plant and Venus flytrap.
You didn't get means what is the meaning of that? There is no picture plant in the whole world. Did I tell you to draw from the space? What, Adritra? What? Shall we have a parents meeting next class? Shall I discuss all the things with all with your parents? What? What about the homework? Sritej completed. Rishit Badri okay. Siddhanandi okay. So one more is there. Where is Soumya and one more student didn't join today. Okay, leave it. Okay, yeah. Show like that. Sritej showed the diagram, right? Show like that.
1 minute. Let me. Yes.
Yes. Muhammad, are you there?
Ma'am, 1 minute. I'm just getting my book.
Yeah, yeah. Picture plant is good.
After Venus flytrap, it's okay. But still,
Okay. No, that is far better. That is far better. See, something is better than nothing. Adritra, it's for you, I'm telling. Very good, Sritej. What, Adritra? And Ashwant Kumar? I don't know. I told you to do the seminar. So in WhatsApp, I also created a poll, like whoever is interested for seminar, everyone gave yes, yes, yes for that. But now I'm doubting like whether you would be able to do or not. I don't know. What? What is this? I thought you are all very good people. You are all responding in the class very, very good. Good everyone. And what is this? See, there is a rule. I think I have already told in some of you were there in PD classes. I already told. If you are not doing the homework of this class, that will be carried forward to the next class. I will be keep on posting in the group so that parents will also know, right? So you people are not doing the homework. That's why I'm giving the same homework repeatedly. I told you very well, last subjective test itself, the diagrams play important role. Nobody has drawn, nobody literally even, not even one people drawn the diagram nice. So I told diagram plays an important role. Yes, Adrit Rao, did I tell or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Siddhant. One more. Yes, Mohammed. Can you hear me? Yes, very
Yes.
good, Siddhant. That's nice. Yeah, where is your homework?
Ma'am, like this is my first day I've joined.
Oh, so Muhammad, okay, that is another Muhammad. That's from another class. Okay, fine. I got confused with PD class. This is your first class, Muhammad.
Yes, ma'am. Like my name is
So,
Afan, but there is Rayan. So yeah, I can't
okay,
change it.
okay, fine. So that Muhammad, we were having one more Muhammad in PD class. I got confused with them. Okay, open your camera.
Yeah.
Yes, introduce yourself to your friends.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Afan, and I'm from 7th grade.
Okay.
I'm from Solitaire Global School, Satapur, Hyderabad.
Very good. So, what is your motive of joining this tutorial? What is the motive of joining these classes? What do you want from these classes?
I want to be like better in studies than like already I am, but still I want to be better.
Okay. Okay, fine. So, want to be better in studies. Okay, fine.
Yes.
So, see, your friends, I gave homeworks to them. They didn't do the homework. So, what punishment can be done? Can be given to everyone? Human, you are a new student, so tell me.
I don't know.
What can see if you are a teacher, what will you do?
I would like tell them or like just scold them and give them homework, like double homework for punishment, I guess.
The punishment is this homework will be carried forwarded to the next class as well. That will be the homework. This is not a simple homework. If you're not doing the next class homeworks as well, that will be carried forward to the next class. So, and that is not just a simple homework done or not, yes or no question. I will be asking you to show the homework. And it will be daily, you will have one diagrammatic homework. Aditra, this is going to be a first and last warning, I'm telling you.
Okay, ma'am.
And Ashwant Kumar, no sound. What, Ashwant Kumar? Where is your homework, Ashwant Kumar? Ashwant Kumar, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, where is your homework? You didn't do the seminar. You are not going to do the seminar today. That is all fine. Where is your homework?
Ma'am, I don't know the homework. I didn't.
What you don't do the homework? You're all there in the class group, right? 7S.
Yes, ma'am.
Then how come you will not know? How come you will not know, Ashwant? So you won't open and see the group, or your parents will not let you to show.
Ma'am, I will
I,
send you after the class.
that is all fine. I'm telling you, what is the problem? Why you didn't the whole don't see? If there is a problem, we need to find a solution, children. Okay, it's not like simple. I told you last class also. This doesn't work out like this. If you have some problem, immediately we need to find the solution. Ashwin Kumar, you didn't do the homework. There should be some reason, ma'am. I forgot, or I'm not at all following the class groups. Any reason?
Ma'am, first I didn't see the homework and I had forgotten the homework.
See, both are blender mistake. So we are daily, at least like one day, once we are, every 2 days, once we are having a class, I am posting everything in the group. These are all known by you, right? This is Chanakya's normal way how it goes for all the subject, for all the classes. These silly reasons are not going to help you, Ashwant. Not only Ashwant, I'm telling to everyone. Adritra, Aishwarya Dasari, did you complete the homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me, open the camera and show me both the what homework I gave.
Drew the picture plant.
Yes, to draw the picture plant and the Venus flytrap. Did you draw?
I drew the picture plant.
Okay. Fine. It can be more good, but it is okay. Fine. Nothing. Something is better than nothing. And Venus flytrap?
Yeah, I didn't draw that. Draw.
Okay. Today you have to draw. At least one you drawn, that is okay. Charvik, what about you? Charvik, text me in the chat. Did you do the homework or not? Ashwant, your seminar will be carried forward to the next class. You will be taking Xylem and Phloem in the next class, okay? Okay. I hope you all can see my screens.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so what we were discussing, these points we were discussing in the last class. So keep a note that in your upcoming subjective test, paper will be tough. And I'm expecting you guys to, yeah, I will talk about the objective test in the final 5 minutes. Okay, that is another Ramayana I need to talk about. Okay, so fungi we saw. Fungi are diverse group of eukaryotic organisms that include yeast, molds, and mushroom. They are all non-muscular, non-motile, and I told to find what is non-motile. I mean, I was asking what is non-motile. So non-motile is simply they cannot move. So motile means movement. Okay, they cannot move. So you know, right? Fungi are the organism, they cannot move. Algae is also not motile, right? Algae is also non-motile. So and heterotrophic organisms that produce by the means of spores. So reproduction, how they so every organism they have reproduction system. So here, especially these fungi or heterotrophic organism, they reproduce means of spores. So spore reproduction is a kind of separate reproduction that we have a separate chapter. There we will talk about what the types of reproduction,
Ma'am, but
which are
in
yeah.
you told that alga is not non-motile, but what as a my knowledge, I heard that it floats in water.
It floats in water, but it doesn't have any special medium for locomotion. If you
Ma'am,
take E. coli, if you take E.
ma'am,
coli or some of the bacteria, one second, of some of the bacteria, they have something called, tail, cilia, they will have. So they use that as a locomotive organ, right? But with respect to algae, if you talk about algae, doesn't have a separate motile structure, sorry, structure for locomotion. And they simply present on water. When the water floats, they float, right?
okay.
Yes,
Yes.
understood?
Ma'am,
So
but
here, yeah.
uh, fungi spreads or it moves. It spreads its branches, I think.
That is what? No, 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 no. It's not about, it's not spreading. That's what it's reproduces. It doesn't spread. Okay, what do you mean by spreading? So you have someone have some diseases, like for example, coronavirus, okay? COVID. Everyone got COVID. If I'm getting COVID, I'm being with you, you will also get COVID. How? It is not spreading. It is spreading. If I have some 100 COVID bacteria, like COVID virus, sorry, not bacteria, COVID virus in me, if I'm giving one COVID virus to you, that one COVID virus will reproduce in your body and they will be forming a big COVID and that causes you COVID. So this is not spreading. It's spreading is different. Spreading is something like it comes from me and it goes to you and from you it goes to another person. That is spreading. Okay. That is
Ma'am,
when you're in.
so before the expiry date of the bread, it will be okay. But after the like if I bought a bread and the expiry date is today, but I forgot it and I ate it tomorrow. Will it anything
Mhm.
happen to me within 1 day of
No,
expiry?
it's not about expiry. It's not about expiry date. That is what we will see in the next slide. Okay, wait and see. It's not only about expiry date. It's for bread I'm telling about. It's not only about expiry date. It also like how in which medium or in which atmosphere you're keeping it. We will see about that in next slide. And fungi lack chlorophyll and hence cannot perform photosynthesis. They store their food in the form of starch. Yes, obviously this point we know very well.
Ma'am,
And prokaryotes, yes.
ma'am, if we keep bread in a like small place where there is no air, will fungi reach or not after 2-3 days?
It may reach because you have water.
Ma'am, but how does fungi reach, ma'am? Like there's nothing. There's just the bread in the small bread.
If you have water, your water is made up of H2O, hydrogen and oxygen, right? So why can't it reach?
And what if there is no water also?
If there is no water and you are keeping it airtight container preserved, you can preserve the bread. That's not a problem. Yes, you can preserve the bread in a nicer way. Yes. So for every, not only fungi children, for every organism, we need to make a special kind of environment or atmosphere so that they can grow. Very good example, Venus flytrap. Their atmosphere is not good to take nitrogen from the soil, so they have specialized mechanism. They are insectivorous plants. Like that, fungi, if they have good air and atmosphere is good and water content is there, so obviously they can form there, right? So we will have different kinds we will see today. So prokaryotes we were talking about and eukaryotes. So today, and then this some diagram I drawn for your cell organelle, cell wall, so cellular membrane bound organelles. We were talking about all this. So today, so this is all the bread you were talking about. So you might have seen, so bread we will see later. So you might have seen packet of mushrooms sold in the vegetable market. Everyone would be liking the mushroom, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Charvik, you are having appointment today or the day when I gave homework? I am asking you about homework, but you keep on telling that you have dental appointment. You might have seen some packets of mushrooms sold in the vegetable market. Do you all know that mushroom is also fungi? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you all know
Yes,
that?
ma'am.
Yes, right?
Yes,
It
ma'am.
is also
Ma'am,
fungi. It's also kind of
in my
fungi.
school, they drew a diagram like mushroom kind of thing, and they draw some fungi. I can't even understand what they drew. They told me to draw in my notebook. I can show you right now also.
Yes, that is fine. Wait, Muhammad Ryan, I forgot your name. Are you
Ma'am,
understanding?
yes, I am. But ma'am, like I don't know why.
You're muted.
Yeah, I don't know why I don't have access to change my name, so that's why I can't change it.
That is okay, fine. I will call you Muhammad. Muhammad is also your name, right?
Yes.
Okay, Mohammed, fine. So, Mohammed, we are in the like mostly we are at the end of this lesson. Maybe we may complete in within 1 or 2 classes.
Yeah,
So,
that's fine.
what about you? Like, so we will be having objective test also. We will conduct 2 seminar classes. Okay, tomorrow and tomorrow we have class. Yes, tomorrow and day after tomorrow. That is Thursday's class will be a seminar class. So I'll be
What
assigning
will
the
be,
topic
ma'am,
so
in
that
the seminar class?
you will not be taking the seminar, Mohammed. No problem. Your friends will be taking. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So you may understand better whatever we discussed in the class. That's all. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Delta.
Yes, ma'am.
So why were you not present for the since 2 class? I guess so.
Ma'am, I was actually in India at that time.
Okay. So now you're back to.
I'm now back to Abu Dhabi, so now where Wi-Fi is good.
Okay. Fine. So we completed a quite sort of topics. Anyway, you will also be a part of seminar classes. So yeah, you may understand. And Ashwant Kumar, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you keep your mics open. Whenever I'm asking, you have to answer. And cameras as well. Ashwant Kumar, open the camera. Yes. So sorry. So you might have seen a packet of mushrooms sold in the market, sold in the vegetable. So that is also a kind of fungi, right? This is like mushrooms also come under fungi only. So you all know how mushroom looks like. You may also have seen fluffy umbrella-like patches growing in the moist soils or rotting wood during the rainy season. So have you guys noticed, like, I don't know how many of you have this in your home, like very, very, very old wood, wooden table or wooden chair. When you have lot of water content, like when you pour lot of water in that wooden content, after a few weeks you can see mushrooms growing on that.
Ma'am, I saw
Have
it
you?
in my grandmother's home.
Yes, old wood. That should be very old
Yes,
wood,
sir.
and also water should be there. It's always surrounded by water and air, means you can see mushrooms growing on that. I had one table in my home, very old table. So we used to keep the water can on that. So whenever we open the can for water, some of the drop of the water will always be there on the table. So it is very old, and we kept it somewhat outside near the window. So I first time I observed mushrooms growing on my home in that table. So you can also do this experiment if you have some olden stick, normal small stick, wooden stick is also fine. You keep
Ma'am,
them always in the moist atmosphere. Yes.
ma'am, do mushroom carry out photosynthesis?
No, that is what we so mushrooms come under fungi, no, Sritej. Sritej asked this, I guess so. So mushroom come under fungi, and fungi doesn't have chlorophyll. So undergo how will they undergo photosynthesis? They won't.
Okay, ma'am.
They come under plant, they grow in wooden, they grow in soil, right? So they come under plant category only. So we'll talk more about the structure anatomy in the next class, I think. So now I have not given this in these slides. So this is a very interesting, very, very interesting activity. I want you all to do as a homework. I'll post in the group. Okay, Ashwant Kumar, everyone, Sritej, Ashwarya, Adrit Rao, everyone, please see the group.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, how much time will it take for the mushroom to grow?
That one is like based on number of water content in that, and also the moist, everything. So the wooden is very old, means you can see the process occurring very soon. But I want you to try. Okay, if you have an old piece of wood, please go and try in your own home. Also, you can try.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
what
like
is
that
hyphae?
type of
What?
But they say they're poisonous.
Nah, no. You should not pick the mushrooms and eat. Okay, children, don't eat. Some mushrooms are only edible. Some mushrooms are not edible. So I'm just telling you to observe there will be mushroom growth. That's it. But
ma'am,
I'm not
they'll be
telling you
like
to
white
pick
in
and
color.
eat. They may be white in color based on the type of mushroom
Yes, sir.
it is.
Ma'am, what is
Maybe some
hyphae?
hyphae.
Yes, ma'am.
We are not talking about hyphae now, Siddhant. We are talking about
No, ma'am,
mushroom.
because I got literally confused in my book. It's written, not in my book, in my notebook. They told me to write hyphae. That's why I just want to ask you, what is that?
Hyphae is like hyphae is a part of fungi, I guess. It's hyphae is a part of fungi. It's actually belongs to fungi. It is one of the part of fungi. And you can also say the organ of fungi. Hyphae.
Yeah, ma'am, you can see this
And
diagram.
according to me, hyphae is like it has some functions also. It has some specific function. It's an organelle of fungi. That one I know.
Ma'am, here the ma'am wrote us to write hyphae and the sporangium and all. That's why I'm asking.
Yeah, sporangium. Sporangium is the one. So fungi usually reproduces using spores, right? So sporangium, spores. It's a reproductive. It belongs to some of the reproductive organelle, I guess so. That is all comes under anatomy of fungi. We will talk about. We have a separate. So what I am following NCRT book basically. In your NCRT book, they have not given very detailed picture of fungi, algae. No, they have not given. So today only I downloaded Tamil Nadu textbooks. So I was seeing there. I could not find fungi. So I will see the next other any other versions of textbook. I'll bring the anatomy of fungi, because it's very important to know about anatomy. But in your NCRT book, unfortunately, it's not given. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Hyphae is, I am confirmed that hyphae is the organelle of fungi. Okay, and it has specific use
Ma'am,
also.
according to my ma'am, it's like it's a decaying matter that is present in
Mm.
the below of the mushroom.
Ha
And
ha ha.
what is sporangiophore?
Sporangiophore, I think that is sporangiophore is from where the spores are released. I think so.
Ma'am, in my diagram, you can nicely see it, ma'am, here.
You post the diagram in the chat, Siddhant.
How can I post a diagram in the chat?
One minute.
It is possible if you give the link. Yes.
It's in my notebook, Pra.
Take a photo and crop it.
I hope you can all see me. You can hear me. Okay. So this is all about mushrooms. So mushrooms, umbrella-like patches growing on the moist soil or rotting wood during the rainy season. Let us find out what type of nutrients they need to survive and from where they get, right? So mushrooms, like all fungi, obtain their nutrients in unique way compared to plants and animals. We already spoke about this, that they are heterotrophic organisms, meaning that they cannot produce their own food through photosynthesis like plants do. Means we are also heterotrophic, they are also heterotrophic. Instead, mushrooms rely on external sources for their nutrition. As we know, like they grow in wood, they grow in some mushrooms, they grow in olden rocks and all. So some they grow in soil itself. So there are many kind of mushrooms, they grow in different atmospheric areas. So what is their major nutrition from where they basically depend on? So first is like something is called as decomposition. So many mushrooms are decomposers. You know what are decomposers? They break down the organic matter. They are called as decomposers. So decomposer means they will break down the matter and make them into the smallest structure ever. So if you put some vegetable peels on the ground, after 1 or 2 months, you cannot see that. So it will be mixed with the soil. How? Because decomposers are present in the soil, they decompose it. The soil itself decompose and make them as a decomposed matter. So it's a good phenomenon, like decomposition. Decomposition is a good phenomenon. So many mushrooms are decomposers, breaking down organic matter such as dead trees, leaves, or other as I told you, other plant materials. They secrete enzymes that break down complex organic molecules into simpler forms. So how can you break? If I want to break the vegetable peel, I want to decompose the vegetable means it's a big process, right? Such like that, any bacteria, anything, so even the fungi is also decomposer. So they cannot do that. So they have a special thing to do. So they use complex organic molecules. They themselves have that. They use complex organic molecules, and then what? So I mean, they have specialized enzymes. They secrete some specialized enzymes. So they have chemical component enzyme present in them. They secrete that, and with the help of that, they are breaking the complex organic molecules into simpler form. So that is the process of decomposition, breaking down the complex organic molecules into simpler form using specialized enzymes, right? So this may come in your subjective paper. So the definition of decomposition, yes. So this is why you often find mushrooms growing on rotting wood or compost piles. So this is the major reason why they are growing in the rotting wood. Rotting, what is rotting wood? I told you olden wood. I told you to use olden wood to see the growth of mushroom.
Ma'am, there are some
Yes.
old trees which have like wood which is very old. So I saw near a tree also mushrooms growing.
Yeah, you can obviously see. So rotting wood is something, decaying wood, you can say, or like the wood is very old, no? They will be breaking, or like very old wood. If you take, you can see the fast growth. New wood you cannot see. Only in the rotting wood. So in rotting wood, in rotting wood, how you can see all these things? It's because mushroom have secrete enzyme. They have specialized enzyme. They are going to decompose the wood itself, and the nutrition that they are taking is from the wood only. So whatever the nutrition they find, they will take from that. So the first kind of mushrooms, those who grow in wood, will take the nutrition by decomposition, right? I hope clear. The next is symbiotic relationship. So this we are all aware very well about symbiotic relationship. So some mushrooms form symbiotic relationship with other organisms such as trees. So some fungi will grow in trees. Sorry, some mushroom will grow in trees. Are you understanding, Aishwarya Dasari? Aishwarya? Aishwarya,
Yes, ma'am.
are you understanding why there is no interaction, Ashwant Kumar? What happened?
Yes, ma'am.
Why there is no interaction? Why all are very silent except Shridhant, Nandi and Sritej? Yes, Soumya? Soumya, when did you join the class?
Mom, I joined at the same time, but I had an internet connection. My tablet ran out of charging, so I had to charge it.
Okay, fine. So what about your homework, Soumya?
Mom, I wasn't present for the last class.
Okay, fine. But I hope you would have got the homework in the group, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You would have at least tried, na? It is there in your books also. The diagrams, or if you go to Google, you will get a lot of diagrams. At least you can try out. Okay, fine. Gelda, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am, I'm understanding.
Yes. Keep your video on. Okay. Same thing I cannot repeat for every single minute. It wastes your time and both my time as well. Okay, symbiotic relationship. Some mushrooms form symbiotic relationships with other organisms. We already know the lichens. The very best examples are lichens we saw. So some mushrooms are also having some special feature like symbiotic relationship with other organisms such as trees. So here fungi are growing on trees. I so already said you some fungi are growing in the trees. So these symbiotic mushrooms are known as mycorrhizal fungi. Mycorrhizal fungi. So what is your homework also includes? So what is the meaning of mycorrhizal? There is certain meaning for this word mycorrhizal. So find out mycorrhizal fungi. Form association with, so the mushrooms, the fungi which is growing in the mushrooms and having, the mushroom that is growing in the wood and having symbiotic relationship with the wood and trees. Not wooden trees, that normally trees you can say. So those are called as mycorrhizal fungi. So this is a definition as well. So form association with the roots of plant, right? So what they do, they form the association with the roots of that plant, that particular plant. So they have association with the root of the plant only. In exchange of sugar produced by the plant through the photosynthesis. So we know plant produces photosynthesis. Okay, and fungi needs something to eat. The mushroom needs something to eat. Yes, Ashwant Kumar was about to speak something. No? No?
No. Ma'am,
Okay.
how does they make food?
Yeah,
Mushroom.
which fungi? Mushroom?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is what we are talking about now. So last slide we spoke, they get nutrition by the process of decomposition. No, I told you, no, they present in the olden woods. So they get the nutrition from there. Okay, from the wood. They decompose the wood. They make the complex organic materials of the wood into smaller substances from which they can grow. They can have the nutrition. That is one type, decomposition, by which some certain fungi will get the nutrition by the process of decomposition. Next is symbiotic relationship. Now, the next type of fungi, they use symbiotic relationship. Already we spoke about one symbiotic relationship, algae and fungi, I think so. Right?
Ma'am, lichens.
Yeah, lichens. Yes, exactly. So some fungi, some mushrooms are undergoing symbiotic relationship. How they are growing in the roots of the trees, big trees. So why they are present in the roots of the big trees? Because trees are normal plants. They do photosynthesis. So with the help of photosynthesis, they get energy. They get starch. So fungi need starch. In the very first slide we saw, I hope you remember. See. So see, they store the food in the form of starch, fungi, right? So mushroom comes under fungi. So they need starch for their survival. So they're getting the starch from the plant, from the tree. So they present in the root so that the tree, with a normal process of photosynthesis, they produce sugars, that is starch. And right, and fungi provide the plant with essential nutrients absorbed from the soil, often including phosphorus and nitrogen. Symbiotic relationship means I have always already told you. So the relation should be like give and take policy. I give you something, instead of that you give me something,
I'm
right?
like trading.
So here,
Ma'am,
yeah.
here it is
So
written
here,
often including phosphorus and nitrogen. Nitrogen is a gas, right? So then, like, how mushroom can eat it in the soil?
yeah, somebody can tell him this. We discussed about this process very deeply in the class. Somebody, okay, I will only pick. Ashwarya Dasari, explain him about this.
Ma'am, symbiotic relationship.
No, no, no. Whatever the Muhammad asked now. What is the question, Muhammad?
It is written often including phosphorus and nitrogen, but in the like soil there will be no nitrogen, right? Because it's a gas.
Yes.
So then how will the mushroom eat it?
Yes, Aishwarya.
Okay,
Explain him this.
I didn't get
No,
the
Aishwarya.
I didn't get the question.
Aishwarya, he's asking here, follow it very clearly. Then only we'll understand Aishwarya. Here they are asking the fungi provide the plant with essential nutrients absorbed from the soil. That we are clear. Okay. Fungi are getting the starch needed from the trees. But what trees are getting from the fungi? What the trees are getting means phosphorus and nitrogen.
Ma'am, so trees are providing shelter for fungi, and whereas fungi is providing water and minerals for the trees.
No, Aishwarya, did I say that trees are providing shelter for mushrooms? Did I tell that, students?
Ma'am, for fungi.
No. Students, did I tell that mushrooms or trees are providing shelter to mushroom?
No.
No.
So what,
shall I say?
Aishwarya? No, wait, Aishwarya. I have never used they provide shelter to fungi. So are you listening the class or not, Aishwarya?
It's not listening.
I have never used the word called shelter. What did I say about symbiotic relationship till now, Aishwarya?
Symbiotic relationships that they benefit each other.
Okay.
And then he asked us to find out the meaning of mycorrhizal fungi.
Okay.
And ma'am, then you told about symbiotic relationship, how do they benefit each other? Like, how do they provide nutrients to each other? And then mushroom orders prepares its food by using starch.
Okay. Okay, now you are telling it somewhat rightly. So before you told some shelter, something. See, guys, we are spending each other's time here. I am telling you something, you're telling me something. If you have some doubt, it's my duty to clear the doubt. And if I am asking you, it's your duty to listen my class. It's not just coming, sitting here and going. Not only for Aishwarya, I'm telling for everyone. Gelda, are you here?
Yes, I am.
Yes, explain him about the nitrogen. He is asking, Mohammed is asking, how nitrogen is a gas, right? So how come they getting the nitrogen, ma'am? How can they eat nitrogen from the gas directly? So we have seen a big process about this. You were also present in the class. So how the atmospheric nitrogen is getting, so plants are getting the atmospheric nitrogen, how they are getting, there is some special process in that. Explain him.
I don't really know.
Don't know.
Hmm.
Don't know, Gelda.
Yeah, I don't know.
Very nice. I'm so proud of you all. Then you didn't listen the class, Gelda, whenever I'm teaching you that what?
I was writing notes.
No. Writing notes is not a, it's not, no one has to write the notes from this class. Just after this class, write the notes. Writing the notes should have something. Okay, you have written the notes, right? Take the notes and tell now. take the notes and tell now. You have wrote the notes. You don't know the part, you don't know the meaning, you don't know the concept, but you have writing the you would be writing the notes. Take the notes and explain the Muhammad now.
Okay, let me find it.
Within 1 minute you have to find now.
Okay. Sir.
Yes, found. 1 minute over. Found.
Not yet.
Basically, it's like you have not written the notes. The thing is that, see, when I ask you what happened, you will say some reason, ma'am, network connectivity is not good, that this. No use. No use of this class. Not understanding the class, not like liking the class children. Is it not interesting, Gelda? You're feeling the class is best?
I'm feeling this is interesting only.
Okay, so the problem is not from my side, right? I am doing my duty as far as I can. I'm getting the things from internet also. I am telling you people, even if I don't know, you know what is my age? I'm just 20 years old. I'm just 20 years old. I'm doing whatever I can, right? But still, if I'm not getting any output from your guys, how will I feel? I feel I'm doubting myself whether I am good or not. Because studies are important. If you are telling that I am not good, whatever I'm teaching is not good, I will relieve. Some other science teacher will take. Really, I'm telling you. Please tell me that, give me the feedback. Should I relieve? Some other science teacher will come and take better classes. You're not understanding the concepts, I think so. What, Siddharth? What, Ashwant?
Ma'am, can
I
I
don't
like try? Uh,
Ashwant, are you willing to try?
yes, ma'am.
Try, go ahead.
Rhizobium is a bacteria which allows the nitrogen pass through the soil, and the other some bacteria in the roots will take the nitrogen and convert them into different
Yeah,
mixture, and they will supply to the plant.
very good. That's a whole part I have to hear is like they have rhizobium and they convert. So Mohammed, I think I'm sorry, you asked a question and a big tamasha happened here.
Ma'am,
So
basically, ma'am,
yes,
basically the
Ritesh.
plant's bacteria converts it into a form so that the plants can consume it.
Yeah. Yes, so it is. So, Mohammed, your question is they are in the atmosphere. And how come they come to the root, right? So that is the whole
Yes.
process of rhizobium bacteria. Not only as Sritesh told, not only rhizobium bacteria. So many bacteria are present. Their main function is to convert the atmospheric nitrogen and make them settle in the soil. Settle in the soil. The word is settle. They make them settle, or you can say they make them to detain in the soil, so that once it reaches the soil, no roots can easily absorb, right?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Right, Muhammad, understood?
Ma'am?
See, that's a very, very, very
Yes,
good
ma'am.
question. Thank you so much for asking, so that I came to know many people are not liking the class or not listening the class. So very
Ma'am, I
good.
have a doubt.
Yes, Soumya.
Ma'am, doesn't rhizobium block the connection of nitrogen gas in between the plant?
Block? No, 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 no. They don't block, Soumya. So the thing is like they're microscopic organism. They don't really block anything. Block in the sense I'm not getting your point.
No, ma'am. Basically, in like a few days ago, I think I remember, you showed this type of note where the nitrogen gas is not taken by plants because of the bacteria rhizobium.
Did I show anything like that,
Ma'am,
children?
I wrote it in the notes like this.
Ma'am, it's actually the opposite.
I don't know,
Yes,
ma'am.
I
I think
think
I
so,
wrote the
Soumya.
wrong notes down.
Yes, ma'am. Rhizobium allows the nitrogen to
Yeah,
mix in the soil.
Okay,
rhizobium
ma'am.
main function is that, Soumya. See, you guys are telling, madam, I am writing notes. The notes also you're not writing. What is this, children? Leave it. No, no time to see. Time up. Already 10 minutes extra over. So next we have so many things we have to cover. So we have some activity, we have this bread activity, and then in summary about mushroom, we have to see about mushrooms anatomy also, and some activity I prepared, and we will be talking about how the mushrooms are like sorry how the fungi are helpful also. Apart from edible mushrooms, we have so many uses of fungi, some other fungi. So everything is there. Okay.
Ma'am, did you saw my diagram?
And even seminar, right?
Yeah. Oh, so I forgot to say the seminar parts. I'll send today night. Please, everyone, check the group and don't come and say, no, I could not see the diagram, Siddhant. Don't come and say that, madam, I have not seen the group. Please don't say. Please go ask your parents. I will be posting which topic whom should take. Okay?
Ma'am, when is the seminar? In
In
the
the next
next
class.
class?
Tomorrow. Yes. In the next class.
Ma'am, like
I'll
you
post the
take
topic.
the group, but I don't know what is the seminar.
No, Muhammad, you don't have to take the seminar. People will take. Your friends will take. Okay?
Ma'am,
Okay,
what
ma'am.
about your objective test?
Objective test, yeah. I opened to show that I was seeing your paper. I was not seeing the paper before. Nine student present. Siddhant was rank 1. Congratulations, Siddhant. Sritej, very good. Rishit Badri, very good. Soumya, very good. Aishwarya Dasari, what happened? Only 25. Advika, 15. And Gilda, Hamza have not written the test itself. Adrit Rao, Ashwant Kumar. Why Ashwant Kumar? Only 20 marks.
Ma'am, I made a mistake because I did not understand what the question was asking of me. So that's why.
Well, open your paper. The nucleus is surrounded 5 minutes. The nucleus is surrounded by jelly-like substance called cytoplasm. Okay, you wrote cell membrane. Did I ever told cell membrane will be jelly-like substance? And this clearly shows that you guys are not reading the book, right? The cytoplasm, this jelly-like substance, I have not told in the class, but I thought you will write the right answer because this is there in the highlighted part in your book.
Yes, ma'am.
Simply, you are not reading the book. Clear, right? You people are not reading the book. Yes. Amerbell. See, again, I told Amerbell. It is called as Amerbell. What is Amerbell? Can anyone tell me?
Kaskuta.
Yes, Cascata is called as Amerbell. So again, it proves that you're not reading the books and not following the notes. And you have given it as it is a parasite. Sorry, host. You have given it as a host. Which is the host in this case? Tree. Which of these components of food can be synthesized by plants? All the above, right? They have carbohydrates, fats, proteins, everything. I don't know. See, you have given the bracket as hood. It's okay. Now I can't make this correct. It's operculum is right answer and operculum spelling is wrong. Anyway, you would be getting this as wrong. Why I given fill in the blanks? Because you should know the spelling. That is see, I give the questions in certain manner so that you will learn the spellings also. Operculum spelling is very important. That's why I given as a fill in the blanks, not as a choose. And see the same mistake you people are doing. Wrong spelling. Okay, fine. The paper is good. No problem. Ashwant Kumar, Aishwarya, Adrit, Charvik only 15 marks. Moons. Very good, Charvik. Very good. See, during photosynthesis, moon's energy is captured by the leaves and stored as food. What is this, Charvik? Are you present in science class or in some other class? Are you present in some social class or in some other class? They talk about moons. Why I am showing to everyone? Everyone should know about everyone. Every question. How the people are doing. See, the nucleus is surrounded by jelly-like substance called stoma. Stoma? I'm so shocked. Which of these components food can be synthesized by plants? I don't know. Many of see the same question Ashwant also did wrong. Venus flytrap. What is this? I'm clearly telling about picture plant, but you have given Venus flytrap, Charvik. God should save me from you all. Mosquito bites human. See germs. Mosquito comes under germs. Waste. Okay, no need to talk more about this. I think it ended as a fun, right? It ended. It's a very good fun, great fun. Sharvik, thanks for
I'm like,
making given us a comedy
excuse me,
show.
ma'am.
Yes,
This was like the ending was like the comedy show. I was like never
yes,
expected.
yes. It's a comedy show. But everyone are good. I am okay with the test. Siddhant, very good. Sritej, very good. First three people, very good. Okay, I'm ending the session. Bye bye. We'll see in the next class. I'll post the topics in the group. Okay, bye.
Bye. Ma'am.